Hello, everybody.
I really want to win this.
I give up. Are you kidding me? Welcome back to the Dorman Proving Grounds Garage. We're back with another round of What's in the Box. Let's get into it.
All right, get after it.
I'm gonna go for it. Are you ready?
All right, let's see here. What do we got? What is this?
No, I have no idea. I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna have to go with some kind of pump of some kind. This is really hard.
That's a motor. Yeah. It's a window motor.
It's a window regulator. Motor.
This is a window regulator motor.
It's a window regulator. Window reg motor. Window motor.
I can't. I give up. I give up. Are you kidding me?
I really want to win this again.
Stabilizer link.
Oh, this is I think it's a spring bar link.
Sway bar link.
It's a stabilizer link.
Sway bar end link.
Sway bar end link, stabilizer end link.
Is a aluminum sway bar end link. Goes wee.
Yay! Good, cool. This is a brake. Boop. When you're doing brakes, you go boop, and you put it in there. I have no idea what it's called.
A clip of some sort. I don't know what it is though.
This is what feels like holds a harness and clips into a chassis.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is a brake caliper slide.
I got nothing.
Oh, well, this is a hard one.
Brake clip.
Brake caliper clip. Part number. I'm kidding.
Oh, I know what this is. This is a brake pad clip.
It is a brake pad clip.
It's like a shim for a brake caliper. For brakes. A grease cap for a rotor or something. A grease cap.
Oh, this is a rotor cap. Bearing cap.
Wheel cap. I don't know. I'm not gonna get it if it's not that.
It feels like a cover for like a hub, on like a trailer or something. You know what I mean? Like the old steel wheels.
This is a dust cap. This is a dust cap.
Dust cap for wheel bearings on like a 1965 Bel Air.
I keep waiting for the trick one. Dust cap.
It's close enough. It goes into the rotor.
Wheel cap?
What is a wheel cap?
Dust cap. It's a dust cap.
Well,
Dust cap.
right.
You knew what I meant. A hub cap. But it's a dust cap, folks.
Valve core.
This is a valve core. A standard pressure valve core.
It is a valve for your tires.
Can you be any more specific?
It's a valve core, valve stem core. Yay! Okay, I like that one. That one was easy.
This is a Schrader valve. Schrader valve? Schrader valve. Like tire, Schrader valve.
It's a Schrader valve for a valve stem.
Oh, valve stem core? That is tiny. Is it an electronic part, like a diode or something like that? Final guess? Final guess. Oh man, straight around. Ah, you.
Rubber, soft. Got a bunch of holes.
It's rubber.
It's rubber, it's flexible.
Piece of rubber? I don't know.
A rubber spacer with holes.
Wait a minute, it's a hole there. So, it's a hole here too.
All right, you might have me on this one.
I'm stumped.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Edible? Is it bagel?
I don't know. I'm gonna say drive shaft isolator Guibo.
Somebody's insole?
This is a steering rag joint.
I still don't know.
No, it doesn't help.
Are you allowed to tell me? Oh, that sucks.
This is a strut.
A blown shock.
Is that your final answer? Shock of some sort.
It's coming out of the box.
I saw it sticking out of the thing.
It is.
It's a shock.
It's a worn out shock.
Well, it used to be blown. It decided halfway through the shoot it wanted to work. That's a crummy old shock.
Come on, man. It's a shock.
Did I say strut or shock? So it's a shock. What? It's a strut?
It's a shock.
It's a shock. Okay. Okay, cool, good. Thermostat?
Bingo.
Yeah.
What? A thermostat?
Thermostat.
Thermostat.
It's a thermostat with no E.
Thermostat.
Thermostat.
This is a, I think it's like a coolant. Maybe it's not coolant specifically, but it's a reservoir cap. You go boop, and.
You are correct, but we do need to know what reservoir.
Really? Oh no.
Dipstick or like a filler cap?
Tell us for what?
Maybe I can like feel out the word.
Ooh, let me see if I can feel the.
To figure out what's engraved or what's on the top of it.
She's reinventing Braille right now.
Is this power steering? Really? Did I feel it out? Yo! Reinventing Braille and it worked.
And I can't tell, like, coolant? I'm not sure.
Final answer?
Sure. Power steering fluid, okay.
It's a power steering reservoir cap.
This is a power steering reservoir cap.
Oh, come on, man. Power steering, reservoir cap.
This is a power steering cap.
Power steering cap from a Chrysler.
This is, it's hard plastic. It's
Like a wire clip or some sort of, something to hold some sort of line.
Bottle opener, but I know it's not that.
I don't know what it's called. It's like, you know, where you hang your dry cleaning.
It's one of the caps that go where you can hang your clothes on.
You can hang a coat or whatever on it.
How long do we have? What's our time limit?
How long are these?
It's a hanger type thing. Hanger? Hook?
It's a hook. It's a piece of trim inside the car.
I think you're thinking of a garment hanger,
A garment hanger? That's what it's called?
but that's not that.
It's not that?
Take a peek.
What?
Is this a hood prop holder? Hood prop holder.
Hood prop rod clip for the hood.
At the back, you know, maybe even holds a cargo net or something.
Take a peek.
Is that what it is? Oh, is this the hood prop?
Sun visor.
Oh, dude, yeah, that.
Oh, yeah, it is that. Whoops.
It's for the sun visor.
It's for the sun visor, the clip.
Sun visor clip. These were in the last one, weren't they? Oh no, they were hammer-ons. These are tape-ons. Wheel weights.
Or wheel weights.
Oh, stick-on wheel weights.
Wheel weights.
Man, you got somebody watchman in here or something? What's this, a watchman?
Wheel weights, lead by 1/4 ounce. This is a 3-ounce stick.
Oh, wait a minute, man. Tire weights.
They're wheel weights.
Let's see. Ooh, rubbery. Looks like it goes over a pedal.
Man, brake pedal pad. Or not clutch pedal. Clutch or brake pedal pad. If it is a manual transmission, this could be a brake pad.
It is a cap of some kind.
Is that final answer?
Yes.
Big B.
Clutch pedal, cover.
It's a rubber like foot or bumper sort of thing. Unless it's like one of the rubber things that goes over like a clutch pedal.
This is a clutch pedal pad. Or, oh, it is, okay.
I don't know if I have to guess the exact pedal, but I'm gonna say it's either a brake pedal on a manual trans or a clutch pedal cover.
It is either a brake pad or a clutch pedal rubber bushing or rubber pad that goes on the clutch pedal.
It's a pedal, brake pedal, or either parking brake thingamajig. I mean, pad.
Last one, finish strong, finish strong.
Fuel level float.
Oh, it's one of them float things from a gas pump or gas.
This is a fuel pump level float.
This is in your fuel tank. Fuel level, lever, fuel. Beep, 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 beep.
This is a float for your fuel pump.
Ah, come on, guys. It's a float for a fuel pump, fuel tank. It's a float. That's what it is.
Fuel level float. Fuel level sender floaty majig. Right? Yeah.
Thanks for checking out this video, guys. If you want to check out the first one, click the link. I'm Miriam from Dorman Products, and we'll see you next time.